When the sun dips below the horizon and the world fades into soft, shadowy darkness, a strange and magical sight often reveals itself in the wild pairs of glowing eyes, staring back at you from the bushes, the trees, the grass, or the water. If you've ever walked outside at night with a flashlight, shone a light at a stray cat, or watched a wildlife documentary set after dark, you've seen this eerie, beautiful glow. It looks like something out of a fairy tale, a supernatural trick, or a mysterious signal from the animal kingdom. But it is not magic at all. It is science, pure and simple, and it's one of the most fascinating evolutionary adaptations in the natural world. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden truth behind why some animals' eyes glow in the dark, break down the biology that makes this possible, explore which creatures have this incredible trait, and explain why you'll never see a human's eyes light up like a wild fox or a barn owl. This is the untold story of nature's night vision, superpower, and it's more amazing than you can imagine. To understand glowing animal eyes, we first need to talk about the key structure that makes it all happen, the tapetum, lucidum. Let's say that name slowly, tapetum lucidum. It has a tiny, thin, reflective layer of tissue located right behind the retina in the eyes of many animals. Think of the retina as the screen in your eye that catches light and sends images to your brain. For humans and animals that are active during the day, the retina absorbs most of the light that enters the eye, which works perfectly when the sun is bright. But for animals that hunt, forage, or travel at night, light is scarce. Every single photon of light is precious, and they can't afford to waste any. That is where the tapetum lucidum comes in. It acts like a tiny mirror inside the eye, bouncing any unused light that passes through the retina back through it a second time. This double pass gives the eye's light-sensitive cells a second chance to catch the light, turning dim nighttime scenes into clear, bright images. The glow you see is simply that reflected light bouncing back out of the animal's eye, shining toward you like a small beacon. It is not the eye producing light on its own, like a firefly's abdomen. It has reflecting light, just like a mirror reflects a flashlight beam in a dark room. Not all animals have a tapetum lucidum, and that's why not all animals have glowing eyes. This trait is almost exclusive to nocturnal animals, creatures that are most active at night, and some crepuscular animals, which are active at dawn and dusk. It is a survival tool, plain and simple. For predators, glowing eyes mean better night vision, to stalk and catch prey in total darkness. A lion hunting on the African savanna at night, a fox chasing a mouse through a field, or an owl swooping down on a rat, all rely on this reflective layer to see their target clearly when there's almost no sunlight. For prey animals, it's just as vital. Deer, rabbits, and zebras use their glowing eyes to spot predators sneaking up on them in the dark, giving them precious seconds to run and escape. Even aquatic animals have this adaptation. Fish, sharks, and crocodiles that hunt in dark, deep water or murky rivers have a tapetum lucidum too, helping them see in water that absorbs most light and turns the world below the surface into a shadowy blur. This trait isn't just cool to look at, it as the difference between life and death for millions of animals every single night. You might have noticed that not all glowing animal eyes shine the same color. A cat's eyes might glow green or yellow. A dog's eyes can glow yellow or orange. A deer's eyes shine bright white or blue. And an owl's eyes glow red or gold. Why do these colors differ? The answer lies in the makeup of the tapetum lucidum itself. This reflective layer is made of tiny crystals, mostly zinc and riboflavin, and the size, shape, and density of these crystals change the color of the reflected light. Some animals have extra pigments in their tapetum lucidum that tint the glow, while others have crystals that reflect specific wavelengths of light more strongly. The color also depends on the angle of the light hitting the eye, and the type of light source, sunlight, moonlight, or a flashlight, will all create slightly different hues. This isn't just a random quirk of nature. The color of the glow can even help animals see better in their specific habitats. A forest-dwelling cat with green glowing eyes blends in with the dim leafy light of the woods, while a grassland deer with white glowing eyes picks up more light from the open moonlit plains. Every detail of this adaptation is fine-tuned by evolution to help animals thrive in their homes. Let us take a closer look at some of the most famous glowing-eyed animals to see how this trait works in real life. Domestic cats are probably the animal we associate most with glowing eyes, and their tapetum lucidum is so efficient that they can see in light that is 6 times dimmer than what humans need to see. That's why your cat can prowl around your house at night, knocking over cups and chasing toys without bumping into walls. Its reflective eye layer turns your dark living room into a well-lit playground. Dogs also have this trait though. Their glow is often less bright than a cat's, because they are not strictly nocturnal. They are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. Wild canines, like foxes, coyotes, and wolves, have even more powerful tapetum, lucidum, letting them hunt across open landscapes all night long. Birds of prey, like owls, are masters of night vision too. Their large eyes are packed with light-sensitive cells, and their tapetum, lucidum, makes them nearly impossible to sneak up on. Even reptiles and amphibians get in on the action. Crocodiles, alligators, and some frogs have glowing eyes that help them hunt in dark swamps and rivers, waiting silently for prey to come close before striking. Now, you might be asking, if this trait is so useful, why don't humans have glowing eyes? The answer is simple. Humans are diurnal, meaning we rebuilt to be active during the day. Our eyes are designed for bright sunlight, with a retina that absorbs almost all light that enters, giving us sharp, colorful vision when the sun is out. We don't have a tapetum, lucidum, so there's no mirror layer to reflect light back out. If you shine a flashlight in a human's eyes at night, you'll get a red reflection. This is the blood vessels in the retina, not a tapetum, lucidum. This is why we struggle to see in the dark. We don't have nature's night vision mirror. Early humans didn't need glowing eyes because we hunted and gathered during the day, used fire to light up the night, and relied on our other senses to stay safe after dark. Evolution shaped our eyes for daylight, while it shaped nocturnal animals' eyes for darkness. Two different paths, both perfectly suited to the lives we live. The tapetum, lucidum, isn't just a fascinating biological quirk. It is a perfect example of how evolution shapes every part of an animal to survive. Over millions of years, animals that were active at night developed this reflective layer, and those with stronger, more efficient tapetum, lucidum, lived longer, found more food, and had more babies. This trait was passed down from generation to generation, getting better and better over time. Today, it is one of the most widespread and effective adaptations in the animal kingdom, found in mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and even some invertebrates. It is a reminder that nature is full of hidden wonders, tiny structures that do incredible things, and that every creature, no matter how big or small, has unique tools to thrive in its environment. Next time you read outside at night and spot a pair of glowing eyes in the dark, don't feel scared or surprised. Take a moment to appreciate the amazing science behind that glow. It is not a ghost, not a monster, not magic. It's a tiny, perfect mirror inside an animal's eye, a gift from millions of years of evolution, helping it see, survive, and thrive in the quiet, dark world that comes alive when the sun goes down. The animal kingdom is full of these incredible secrets, and glowing eyes are just one of the many reasons why nature is the most amazing storyteller of all. From the smallest forest mouse to the largest ocean predator, this simple adaptation connects every nocturnal creature, a silent, glowing reminder of how brilliant and resourceful life on Earth truly is. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel